guys, this is Mr. Bite, and I just wanted to go over this HyperDoc activity with you guys. So those of you that are starting our animal project, this is just an overview of the steps you should take. So as I was telling my students before, it's pretty much you start at the top just like you're reading, and you're going to go step by step by step. Okay, so on the animal habitat, you read the instructions here, and then you go to the green section of what is a habitat. You start on number 1 where it says explore the habitats, and there's a video there for you to watch. And then you're going to go to number 2, the truth about habitats. It's just a quick little article on habitats. When you're done with the green section, you're just going to kind of keep scrolling down and go to the blue section where it says learn more about habitats. And you are going to just watch this video. It's another video on habitats, just to get your guys' thinking about habitats and animals and things like that. The place we're going to spend most of our time as a community is going to be in our working together to learn more, our red section here. Okay, so you're going to go to your National Geographic Animals page, and you're going to fill out information on at least 3 animals. Okay, in that Google Doc. Now, my class, I call it a matrix. It is the animal matrix, and it's just a bunch of animals on one side, and you're going to tell us about their habitat. You're going to tell us about their diet. You're going to give us some information about how much they weigh or how big they are or what they do. The last column is just some other fun facts, but we'll talk more about that matrix in another video. So your job is going to be to do this part of the assignment. And I have a link here to my Google Classroom. Other communities, your link is probably going to be on your Google Classroom. Maybe not right on this HyperDoc, but at least in your Google Classroom. So that'll be what you guys refer to. Excuse me. Once you're done with that, you're going to kind of just go get an overview of what did you learn? What are 3 things you discovered when you were researching your animal? What were things that you found interesting that you may not have known before? You can also include 2 interesting facts or details on what you guys are learning about. Okay, something more specific. Please try to use complete sentences because we're practicing that as a community as well. And then maybe a question you still have. What do you wonder about your animal? What do you wonder about what we're doing? Just what kind of question could you have? Okay. Once you are done there, it just says show what you know, and I think this is our matrix. So yeah, this is just our matrix, just another link. So if you get done, there are a couple of links here. I don't know that they work, but you can check them out. If not, I know the last one does, where you can build a habitat and you're learning about just different things. But just kind of explore what different animals do, where they live, what they eat. And just be thinking about that. What are some of the adaptations that they have for their environment? Things like that. So keep that in mind as you are checking this out. As always, if you have any questions, talk with your facilitator. Sorry about that. Lost my brain. But really just follow this step by step. Okay. If you don't know what to do, whatever step you're on, do that step. And then move on to the next step. What's our next step? Okay, and in our next video, we're going to talk about that animal matrix a little bit more. All right, you guys have a good day.